to my channel. Thank you for joining our creative channel. This channel is about how to take advantage of old jeans or denim. Usually, in every home has unnecessary denim or jeans. And now, let's make them accessories like as necklace. This necklace is from old jeans or denim. But before watching this video, don't forget like and subscribe this my video. Okay, we prepare some items for making the necklace. The first, of course, the chain, scissors, pliers, thread, sewing needle, chains, regular chains or your own chain, jump rings, hooks, glue, and the gun glue. The first type, we need a patterns. We need two patterns. This is the for flowers and this is for the base of necklace. For the patterns, this is the pattern of 3.5 and 4 centimeters, and this is 3 and 4 centimeters. Take the chain and copy the patterns on the chain. After copy the pattern, you going cut to cut. We need 6 petals for the big flowers, and we need 5 petals for the small flowers. Okay, and we make curve right side and left side. We cut all the petals, and this is the petals. Now take the needle and thread and you start to sew the petals. You stick the petals one by one. Okay. After all the petals, you sew and combine the first petals and the last petal. And this is the result. Okay, we have two flowers. This is the big flowers and small flowers. Okay, give the glue in the center and put the small flowers on the big flowers. Okay, and here give the glue again and put the beads in the center. And this is the flowers. You need 3 flowers or more for the necklace. Now you take the base of necklace and put the chains and give It doesn't matter if you have 5 flowers, but I make 3 flowers for the necklace. And ta-da! This is the beautiful necklace. So the necklace ready to use. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.